Guys, I feel like I haven't actually seen you guys like forever. Where have you been? No, I know it's me. I was off for a couple of days because I had a bit hectic days, actually 4 hectic days. At this point, I feel like I'm actually dying because it's just too much. But it was fun. And it was Christmas. I hope you all had a good Christmas and back to normal now. Christmas tree is down. Anywho, I've got some jalapeno poppers, and then I've got like this 18 Asian prawn toast, spring rolls, wontons, shebang, right? So we're going to eat some. And also I've got this dip, and yes, I'm going to dip it in this dip because no one's going to eat it, and I'm pretty sure it also went off yesterday. But we move. Also, I look very, very pale. Like, very pale. Anyway, how's everybody been? I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't done this in ages. Like, I didn't nada. Anything that you've seen, if you've seen it, is just... I need to sharpen it. I'm just too excited. Jack cheese with a kick of chili heat. These bits are just everything. Like, I don't know. Is it the 28th? Or is it 29th? This went off on the 26th. Oh, whatever. Guys, did you have a good Christmas? Like, come on. Who's glad it's over? Who's sad? My Christmas tree is gone. I've got all these treats here, which is an absolute joke, but... Not sure about that. Alright. Going into 2026. Very soon. Like, what the helly, man? What the helly? I tell you what I haven't done, right? You're all going to be shocked. I haven't had mayonnaise. I haven't had mayonnaise for 4 days. Yeah. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and yesterday. I mean, is it a new me? Hell no. I've just got so much shit to eat. I'm trying to get through it. Do you know what I mean? I've put on so much weight. I feel like I'm huge. There's me eating all this. I'm not even joking here. Look at this. That's just one. It's an absolute joke at this point. Like, literally. I feel like I want to go on the Manjaro. But my worry with that is you wouldn't be able to eat. Basically starvation, isn't it? I mean, it works. It works. But I'm sad I can't eat. Look. Guys, have you missed this? I just make myself laugh. Honestly, these are nice. I don't know why I'm waiting to eat these. Right, that's me. Over and out. Jalapeno poppers. They're good. Anyway. Hope everyone's had a good Christmas, good Boxing Day. Let's roll into 2026, baby. That was cheesy as fuck. Just cut that out. Have a good evening.